Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm the crazy cat lady right back at you again. And guess what I'm having today? It's not a beauty haul. It's not a mukbang. It's not a cooking show. It's something I haven't done in a while. It's because it's Christmas time. It's a toy review for Baby Alive Step and Giggle. So I got this quite a few weeks ago and I haven't gotten to film this, and I want to do a toy review. This is what it looks like, and I just thought it was so cute. And you know, who would want a toy review? It's Christmas, why not? So let's get her out of here. I'm gonna figure out a way to get her out. So I'm gonna take the scissors. I was trying to rack my brain on what I wanted to do a toy review on, and when I saw her I was like, you know what, maybe that little girl out there or that mother out there might want a toy review on a Baby Alive. Maybe you know, they're stumped, like, does it really work, or does it, you know? So I figure since it's Christmas, I definitely, this is so cute.
Let's jump together. Ready, set, go.
That is cute. So let's see if this works. That was such a cute thing to review, and I didn't get any more toys for review, but I'm gonna have to pick up a few because I do have some in mind that I wanted to get for a review. Oops, guess can't take this out. We gotta clip it off. Okay. So how is everyone doing in their shopping? Are you getting your kids and or nieces or nephews, if you have younger ones? Got them all done? Okay. Alright, so we have directions. I'm not much for directions at all. I like to figure out stuff myself. Whatever. So I gotta unplug this. See, they have everything. Somebody's calling me. Oh, that's my husband. Hold on for 1 second. Okay, I am back. He just, I don't know, wanted to tell me that he's coming home early and that we need more salt for the driveway. So anyways, I undid her.
Let's jump together. Ready, set, go.
This is supposed to be step.
Hop, hop, hop. Feet won't stop. Whee! This is fun.
And I guess you have to put a diaper. Oh, she don't have a diaper. And oh wait, hold on, let me put her on, put this. Take this off. Trying to, God, I don't know what they're doing here with this. Look at, it's like all tight around. Wow. Okay. Okay, I got it. So I'm gonna, I guess you feed the baby and they pee in their pants. I got this little tiny diaper that I gotta put on her. Here, look at this.
Hi. Whoa, look at my shoes. Let's jump together. Ready, set, go.
They sit, and
Hop, hop, feet won't stop.
I have to show you from this point of view. Let me see. I guess, and you just play with it and the shoes light up. Sippy cup time. Shoes flash when we play. Diaper change time. Which I don't have an extra diaper, but
Whoa,
look at this. Wait, let me get her to.
let's jump together. Ready, set, go. Hop, 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 feet won't stop. Whee! This is fun.
And it's hard if. Look at this. So it's a little hard to film, but you
Whoa,
can
look at my shoes.
to see the shoes. But I just had to show you the shoes so you can comb her hair. This is really cute. So the true test to see if she pees. So look at how cute. And then you.
Jump together. Ready, set, go.
And the arms move. So you can go like this.
Hop, hop, feet won't stop.
Right?
Whee! This is fun.
So you can like go like this, hold her hand.
Hi. Whoa, look at my shoes.
I thought it would walk by itself, but it don't. You have to kind of like pretend. But now what I'm going to do is put the diaper on and feed it some water. See, when I had Baby Alive, you would have to mix up this concoction,
Ready, set,
and there's a hole right there, which I'm not going to show. So let me put the diaper on. I don't have any changeable diapers, but I wanted to do this to show you if it works.
feet won't stop. Whee! This is fun.
All right. I haven't put on a diaper in forever.
Hi.
So I got her diaper on.
My shoes.
Okay, let me get it, put it up better.
Let's jump together.
See?
Ready,
Got the diaper on.
go.
So let me secure her, and I'm gonna go get some water and I'll be right back. All right, so now I have my baby alive. I think this is overall a really cute toy, honestly. I just like the fact that it talks. I think it's cute. So I'm gonna feed my baby alive. I got the water. Oh, it really fits in deep too. Oh, and it doesn't come with a bib or anything either. Well, maybe because you're not like feeding it. Oh wow. Okay, let me put more because I want it the full effect. Oops. Sorry, baby, you're all wet. All right. Oh, I got a really good amount. So I'll do this. Oops.
No. What did Dad say?
Noah, can you get me a fresh towel? Yeah.
Shit. A towel? Just like this?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
A feeding baby alive, or to see if it pees. It says that this. I'm doing a test toy review. Oh crap! This really needs a bib. I'm making a mess. It's like maybe I'm just a messy person. I don't know, but. Okay, let's see if it pees now. Now it's all wet. Jesus Christ. This is cute. So,
He won't stop.
oh, jeez.
This is fun.
Uh-oh. Maybe it's leaking through the... Okay, let's see. Or I'm making just a damn... Oh, wow. I think she wet herself.
Wow, look at my shoes.
Holy crap. She's all wet. She went like right through the diaper and all. Holy crap, this is like leaking everywhere. I don't know about this. Look at it. It's leaking everywhere. Holy crap. I don't know. I mean, this is like it's literally went to the bathroom and just like looked like it just seeped right through. I don't know. It didn't hold. I didn't even put that much water. Holy crap. This is not good. So I'm going to dry it off. So it does pee. I have to tell you that much. It's soaked. Look at it. It does pee. It's soaking, literally soaking wet. I might have put in too much water, but it just didn't seem like it took a long time to filter through, like a, you know, but it's like literally soaked. So overall, it's a cute toy. It just, I guess if you have to put just a little bit, or you're having a sopping wet diaper. But it is a cute toy, and
Just together.
I'm trying to dry it off now. I mean, this is like the whole outfit is wet now. So, yeah, this is like sopping. So I'm going to take this off, I think, to dry it. But overall, it's a cute little toy. I really like it. And I guess the trick of it is to not really keep feeding. I didn't even really put that much. Honestly, I might have put in a half altogether. But, and look at, I forgot to try these on. Look at how cute. She has glasses.
Hop, hop, hop. He won't stop.
But it's like I got water everywhere.
Fun.
So what I'm going to do is take this off, dry her really good. I'm going to use actually a dryer towel, and I'll just keep her and have her sit, and
Whoa, look at my shoes.
it's a cute little doll. I'll have her sit like maybe on my bed or something. Maybe I'll get like a Christmas outfit and put it on her. But overall, the Baby Alive Step and Giggle is cute. I guess with the drink, I wouldn't put too much. So, my thoughts on her is a definitely thumbs up. It is cute. And any little girl would definitely love this. So, that is it for my try review. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll be greatly appreciated for that. And thank you always here for supporting me. And I love you all. And say goodbye to baby Baby Giggles. We'll call her Baby Giggles. That's what I'll call her. So Baby Giggles, say bye-bye. Bye! And we're going off to change her outfit. So I'm just going to take it off and have her dry off. So with that said, just be you, be yourself, and love yourself. And have an awesome, awesome day. And we'll see you on the next one.